Hi everyone, it's Ari from Ari Plans, and for this video I'm going to be doing a quick sticker haul. I have 4 different shops to show you. The Sticker Party, Once More with Love, Durham Doodles, I think that's how you pronounce it, and Odd Loop. Okay, so I'm going to start with the smaller orders first. Okay, so the first is from Durham Doodles. And this is I bought a vinyl sticker. I don't remember if she has other things in her shop, but it's on Etsy. And I say her, but I don't know. It's from Hannah. And like, look how cute this is. It's like personalized. Really nice. Okay, so. This is the vinyl that I bought, and there was another little surprise in here which I didn't see until I went to film this or take it out for filming. Okay, so this cute little vinyl, and it's like the Luna Lovegood. You're just as you're just as sane as I am, and I think I'm going to put this on my Kindle case. And this is like really zoomed into my nails and they're atrocious. I apologize. I've been moving, so, or helping someone move, so my nails just don't look great. It's really cute. And it's on this like weatherproof, I think this is a weatherproof, it's glossy. But it's really nice quality. So that's from Durham Doodles. And this was also like little, she included this cute little Harry Potter sticker. These are very miniature though. But I could definitely use these to mark something in my planner. Harry Potter related. Okay, so this one, Durham Doodles. Next, I have a very small order from Once More with Love. And obviously I opened everything. I was too excited when I got it in the mail to wait. I think I showed my address again. Oh no. So this was the journaling card thank you note. The sunlight will come and go. What you do with the light when it is here is up to you. So it's cute. I used to save all of these, but then I just realized I'm hoarding them because I don't craft really anymore. So this will go in my G-stash pile for someone that can make use out of it. Okay. So this was my order, and oh my God. Like, I had to. I really had to. I'm obsessed with Bridgerton. So this is the I Burn For You sticker sheet. And it's just so cute. Eloise is definitely my favorite. Not my favorite character, but my favorite on the sheet. I mean, it looks just like her. Penelope, Daphne, the Duke, or Simon. Like, I had to have these. And I'm glad there's 3 of each. No, some are only 2 of each. Because I know I'm definitely gonna be too afraid to use these. So I will use 1 copy and then probably save the other. Okay. And I can't wait for season 2 because it's already been announced. And then with that, I put in Super Oops in the code. And I got these parent-teacher conferences, and they're not cut, which is fine because it's a Super Oops and it was free, but I won't even use these because I'm not a parent. So I will de-stash these for someone who could use them. And then I think this was also an Oops. It's cut off, but they're still usable. Definitely this heart. And yeah, that's this. And then this was the regular freebie, January freebie. And this will definitely come in use. Actually, all of these will. Okay, so that was my order with Once More with Love. And I'll link everything below. The next is Odd Loop. And I don't know if I've ever, no, I haven't ordered from them, but I'm very excited to have finally made a purchase with them, because they have like, oh, their art is just so unique and their stuff is high quality. And yeah, okay, so I got the, I don't remember what the name of this kit is. Harry Potter Destinations, I'm gonna say, and I only got page 1 and page 7. I kind of wish I would have bought a double of this because it's just too beautiful to use. And yeah, I'm gonna be upset when I use it, because then I don't know what I'll use it, when I'll use it. It's just too good. Like, they did such a good job. So this is the full boxes, and I cannot pick which one's my favorite. Actually, no, I can't pick which one's my favorite. And then this is this page 7, and here's like the bottom washi, and it says all aboard the Hogwarts Express. Bottom washi, I love that. I love these washi strips. I love these patterns. A few glitter headers, and then some checklists. And I figured I could like pull in my own stickers to make this into like a full-size kit. But we'll see. I don't know when I'm going to use this, because it's like too perfect that I don't want to use it. If that makes any sense. I'm sure it does to you, but not to other people, or most other people who aren't planners. And then I just picked up this vinyl sticker. I wish I would have gotten one of each of the full boxes, but I was on a budget. But now I regret it. And I said I couldn't pick my favorite, and I know I got only this one, the Hogwarts one. But I think because this is like the most iconic, I picked this one. And I don't know where I'll put this. Maybe I'll also put this on my Kindle case. But it's like, it's not glossy. I don't know how to describe this vinyl. It's like thick, it's good quality, it's nice. So it's the Hogwarts stamp, and that's from Odd Loop. And then the last is from Sticker Party. And there is a kit in here and a sticker sheet. And I've ordered from them a few times, from her, them, I don't know. I love her doodles. And then it came in this folder, which is so pretty. I don't want to get rid of it. I will use it for something, because this blue kind of looks teal on here on camera. I'm not sure what color it is exactly, but it's just really pretty, this foil. So I'm definitely going to save this folder. Okay, so the freebie is here. Definitely useful freebie. And then, so I meant to only order one of these, but then I saw apparently I ordered 2, which I'm not that mad about, because these are the cutest stickers ever. If you know me, I'm obsessed with Dairy Queen. I love Dairy Queen. As a joke, I asked my husband if we could name our child Dairy Queen. Totally a joke, but I love Dairy Queen. My absolute favorite isn't on here, which is kind of sad, but I saw another sticker shop that has something, and that's like cherry dip. I think that sticker shop was Sugar Box stickers, which I will definitely, in the summertime, I will order that sheet, because I will be having cherry dip for sure. So we have the regular vanilla cone, the hot fudge sundae, a blizzard, which I wonder what kind of blizzard this is. It looks like I'm gonna guess a Reese's, whatever it's called. We have a chocolate dip cone, a butterscotch cone. Ooh. I say this is a butterscotch cone because that's classic Dairy Queen, but they also came out with the orange dreamsicle dip, or orange cream dip. I don't remember what it's called. And this could pass as that also. Anything dipped, I love. Strawberry sundae, and then I wish the 3 blizzards were different flavor, like the Oreo. Although if I'm gonna get a blizzard, I'm only gonna get, not only, but it'll be a cotton candy, what else did I try? I tried the piñata one, which was limited time, but that was really good. And or like the pumpkin pie. It's not gonna be this one, whatever this is, but whatever, it's fine, I don't care. And then more vanilla dip. Yeah, so these are doubled, and I got 2 sheets, which was a mistake, but whatever. So I'm so happy to finally have these. I don't know why. I think originally when the first 2 orders, or first however many times I've ordered with her, she didn't have this one, because I would have definitely ordered this. So this is the Dairy Queen sheet from the sticker party. And comment below what your favorite or your go-to order is at Dairy Queen, because I'm so curious. Okay, and then I got a Valentine's Day kit from the sticker party. This is, yeah, it's just called Valentines Kit. And I don't know if I'm necessarily going to be using this the week of Valentine's Day, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to be using all Valentine's Day theme kits in February, so it will be during February. I just don't know which week. So we have and I don't remember if I bought these individually or if it came as a full kit. I'm guessing it was like a kit, and it was a 4-sheet kit. So we have these are the full boxes, and I love anything conversation heart. I love the candy and the like aesthetic. We have the bottom washi, these really cute doodles, but these are all hand drawn by her. I forget what her name is. Some bill-dos, some scripts. We have to do today miscellaneous, which I don't use these like this, but sometimes if I have like a long enough script, I use it as like washi and I cover the script. We have these TV box flags, different flags, and then the date covers. And we have some glitter headers. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so 7 glitter headers. Quarter boxes, third boxes, habit trackers, checklist flags, heart checklist flags, whatever you want to do with it, full box, and a weekly tracker. Yeah, and that's it. That's a 4-page kit, and there's so many colors in here that I will definitely be able to incorporate like my own stickers into this kit. And I think that was it for my haul. So it was a very exciting haul because I haven't bought stickers in a hot minute, and by hot minute I mean 2 years-ish. So this was very exciting for me because I'm just now getting back into planning. I don't know if I can pick a favorite. Like, I'm obsessed with, like, this is Bridgerton, Harry Potter, Dairy Queen, and Conversation Hearts. These might be like my favorite things. So if you're like learning anything about me, I love these things. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, comment below your favorite Dairy Queen order, like, and yeah, bye.